Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing footage and creating the 2 layers required for this only reliable method. Import your clip at the final resolution and frame rate so motion estimates stay accurate. Next, duplicate the clip on a new layer and keep the copy above or below for reference. You will animate the duplicate. Once done, set blend mode options later and ensure both layers are precisely aligned in the timeline before moving to effects. Now you build the actual motion blur by creating a trail from the duplicated layer. First, offset the duplicate by a small time like 0.030, 0.8 seconds per frame, or stagger multiple copies for heavier blur. Apply a blur effect such as Gaussian or directional/radial and ramp the intensity to taste. This smooths temporal edges. Animate the duplicate's opacity down while slightly shifting position to mimic motion sampling. Make sure easing is consistent so the trail reads naturally. Finish by blending and testing the composite so the blur feels organic. Change the duplicate layer blend to add or screen, or simply drop opacity to 20 to 60% until it looks right. This prevents harsh doubles. Trim or nest the layers to keep the timeline clean, then export a short test to confirm motion smoothness. If you see ghosting or jitter, reduce the temporal offset, lower blur strength, or re-render at a higher frame rate. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.